Hair loss and thinning affect millions of people, and finding treatments that actually work can feel overwhelming. Today we're reviewing the iRestore Professional Laser Red Light Therapy System, a wearable hair growth device designed to help with hair thinning, hair loss, and certain forms of alopecia. This FDA-cleared system uses 282 medical-grade lasers and LEDs to deliver low-level laser therapy, also known as red light therapy, directly to the scalp. It promises to support hair regrowth and improve hair density for both men and women, all from home. But does this futuristic-looking helmet actually work, or is it just expensive hype? Let's find out. Right away, the iRestore Professional has a very modern and high-tech appearance. The helmet-style design is lightweight and built to sit comfortably on the head during treatment sessions. Compared to older laser caps or handheld devices, this feels much more premium and user-friendly. Inside the helmet, you'll find the 282 lasers and LEDs arranged to provide full scalp coverage during treatment. The controls are simple, and the overall build quality feels solid and professionally designed. The iRestore system uses low-level laser therapy, often called LLLT or red light therapy. The idea behind this technology is that specific wavelengths of light may help stimulate hair follicles, improve scalp circulation, and support healthier hair growth over time. Unlike hair transplant surgery or medications, this is a non-invasive treatment that can be used at home without needles or recovery time. The sessions are relatively short, making the system convenient for regular use. One major point many buyers look for is FDA clearance, and the iRestore Professional is FDA cleared for treating hair loss and thinning. That doesn't mean guarantee results for every person, but it does help give the product more credibility compared to random online hair growth gadgets. The treatment itself is painless and generally easy to incorporate into daily routines. Since it's non-invasive, many users prefer it over more aggressive hair restoration methods. Using the helmet is fairly straightforward. You place it on your head during treatment sessions while relaxing, working, watching TV, or doing other activities. Because the device is cordless and wearable, it's much more convenient than sitting in one place with wired equipment. The helmet feels comfortable overall, although some users may find it slightly bulky during longer sessions. One important thing to understand is that hair growth treatments require consistency and patience. Results usually take several months rather than a few weeks. The iRestore Professional is mainly targeted toward people experiencing hair thinning, early-stage hair loss, pattern baldness, certain forms of alopecia. It may work best for users trying to slow hair loss or improve thinning areas before severe hair loss develops. For people expecting instant dramatic transformations, it's important to have realistic expectations. This is probably the most important part of the review. Laser hair therapy isn't magic. Results vary from person to person depending on genetics, consistency, age, and the type of hair loss involved. Some users report thicker hair appearance and reduced shedding after several months, while others may experience more subtle improvements. Consistency is key with products like this. Overall, the iRestore Professional is one of the more advanced and credible at-home laser hair therapy systems currently available. It offers a convenient non-invasive approach for people dealing with hair thinning or early-stage hair loss, especially those looking for alternatives to surgery or medications. If you're willing to stay consistent and understand that results take time, this system is definitely worth considering. If you enjoyed this review, make sure to like, subscribe, and comment below. Would you try red light therapy for hair growth?